Good morning to everyone. Myself, Dr. T. Arun Kumar, Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today, my students going to present the business Canva model, billion to one. Darshana, can you proceed?
Yes, sir. So first I'll start with the introduction of the company Billion to One. So Billion to One has developed a DNA molecular counter that increases the cell-free DNA diagnostics resolution by over 1000-fold, which unlocks transformative improvements in prenatal screening and liquid biopsy for cancer. Unity Screen Billion to One's commercially available non-invasive prenatal test, that is NIPT, is the only NIPT that can access fetal risk for both recessive conditions and aneuploidies from maternal blood. Unity Screen continues to grow exponentially and it's a path to becoming the next standard of care with an increasing number of publications showing its accuracy and advantages over other screening methods. They also have molecular counting technology to develop liquid biopsy testers which have the potential to completely transfer oncology care.
Now comes the value proposition and customer segments. At the heart of the canvas is the value proposition. Billion to one secret sauce is the quantitative counting template or QCT. When competitors estimate genetic risk, but QCT counts it. This power two massive customer segments. First, the parental market. The Unity Complete Screening is the only test that can access fetal risk for recessive conditions. Using only the mother's blood, no father sample required. This solves a massive logistic headache for OP or GYNs. Second, the oncology market. They are not star liquid. Biospace are 50% more sensitive than legacy tests, allowing oncologists to track tumor changes as small as 0.01%. For a patient, that sensitive is the difference between catching a replace early or missing it entirely.
Let me start with the channels and customer relationships. How do they get these tests into clinics? Through a multi-layered channel strategy. In 2026, they reached a milestone by integrating directly with Epic, the world's largest electronic health record system. This means doctors can order a Unity test as easily as they order a standard blood panel. But diagnostics is a relationship business. Their customer relationship strategy relies on a specialized sales force and medical science license who work directly with maternal fetal medicine specialists. They aren't just selling a kit, they are providing a clinical service that includes genetic counseling and peer reviewed validation. This high touch models builds the brand loyalty needed to fend off giants like LabCrop or Quest.
So the next segment is about the revenue streams. So revenue streams that is completely based on numbers. The revenue streams are primarily driven by diagnostic service fees. In 2025, the company pulled in nearly $3,000 million, and for 2026, they are projecting up to 445 millions. This growth is fueled by high reimbursement rates from insurance payers who value the one and done nature of the Unity Screen. Next is about the key activities. To keep the lights on, the key activities focuses on two things. First one is about the lab operations and the second one is the R&D. They operate a massive 90,000 square foot automated lab in Menlo Park. Every day, thousands of samples are processed using proprietary SMNGS. The full form is single molecule next generation sequencing. They also constantly run clinical trials to expand into new areas, like the 2026 launch of the platelet fetal antigen NIPT.
The engine behind the model consists of key resources. Their most valuable asset is their IP portfolio, specifically the patents protecting the QCT technology. They also rely on a highly specialized workforce of bioinformaticians. But even a leader needs partnerships. Billion to One works closely with Illumina using their high throughput sequences to run the test. They also partner with academic powerhouses like Baylor College of Medicine for the clinical data that wins over skeptics. These alliances allow a mid-sized company to compete on a global stage. Finally, we look at the cost structure. It's expensive to be this precise. Their costs are tied to high-end reagents, specialized labor, and the massive SGA. Selling, general, and administrative expenses required to scale a national sales team. However, with a 71% gross margin reported in early 2026, the model is incredibly efficient. So Billion to One has successfully moved from tech startup to a market leader by focusing on superior accuracy and solving real-world clinical bottlenecks. They have built a business model canvas that is so robust as their science.
Thank you, students, for your wonderful session about the business Canva on Billion to One. Thank you.